Now let's get into our next venue. So this is our next venue where some motorcycle based sports gonna happen, and this is to do more with the complete motorcycle disassembling and then I think assembling it again. So they also had slow motorcycle race here. We basically remove the rear tire and fix it back. The fastest team which does this wins this game. I think not just the tire, there are a lot of other things. Now let's get into venue number 3, which is this particular bit, which is Motorsonic. This is the area where you'll have DJing and all those things. And here also you have a lot of stalls. You have beer stalls, cafes, so basically eateries. You have most of these guys are restaurants and cafes here.
Ladies and gents, people of the motorverse,
and this is the venue number 3.
Stage. The gates are officially open. Those of you all standing at the back, get yourself something to eat, get yourself something to drink, and make your way towards the front of stage. We have the first band.
The energy out here is electrifying. So the music or DJing will start later in the evening. So right now it's empty, so let's get into the next venue. So next to the Motorsonic, there's another stall here. You have a lot of canopies, one of which is the garage. So you have a full-fledged Royal Enfield garage to support all the riders who have come. Let's get there and also show you what are the brands who've come here. The weather is quite comforting. I mean, even in the afternoon, 12ish or something, it's not so bad at all. It's super cool. So now let's show you the different brands have put their stalls here. So you have MK Design India, you have Area 51, Race Dynamics. Okay, so basically I'm on the other side. Let's get that side again. So I'm not gonna mention too much of a names here now. We'll get on to the other side because the stalls are facing the other side and not this side. And most of these guys are all performance based people. You have Red Rooster, you have a tire company, so they have a stall here. And this is the fully blown up service center by Royal Enfield. And my motorcycle had an issue, it broke down, and I just came here, and I must say fantastic support by the entire team. They fixed the motorcycle immediately, and I'll show you the clip right after this, what happened to my motorcycle and what was happening with that. So got some problem on the motorcycle. It just switched off all of a sudden when we were traveling, and today we're just getting it fixed. And thank God, these guys are so good at the RERM. They immediately addressed the vehicle and they fixed it. It's all right. They took about 30 minutes and then everything is fixed. So thank God. So now let's get back to the event and enjoy. So you just saw what had happened with the motorcycle. Now let me show you all the stalls which are there. So you have a tire company for tire checkup, and then you have a Red Rooster stall, BMC air filter stall again, a raw stone which are for lights, SS Moto Group, perfect seats. So basically all of these are aftermarket products for your Royal Enfield, and you can get these things done there. So this is another unit or a part of the event Royal Enfield Rider Mania 2022. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. And next I'm going to cover the motorsport, basically the entire off-road section and all of it. So stay tuned, that's going to be a lot of fun. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.
jungle